Okay, so let's continue with now we're going to socialization. And I was checking my settings, so what they have is basically the same thing than the others. You can also customize your circles. You can show the location if you want. If you have working on a cell phone, you can show the location. This is how much pictures I have used. So there is several things that you can play around with that. You know, what do you want them to see it? So I would advise to take a look about this. Now you have also audience. Who is seeing your profile? Again, you can say, you can customize if you want somebody specific, or you can, put a specific age, etc. So that is in settings. Now let's go to something that is important because we want to brand ourselves is communities. How to connect with the communities, which is similar like groups for Facebook and LinkedIn. So I belong to this community is because I went to a course of Google Camp. So I'm part of this community and I see there is 313 message there. Maybe if I click there, I can see here it is, the community. And it opens like a website, like having a Facebook page. I can put comments here. I can read the comments. I can share the comments, or I can like them. Well, you don't like it, you just put one. I guess that's the way you say you like it. You just put one plus. Or you can comment, and you also can share. You see, you can share the post. So that's the communities. Now it will suggest you, if you go again to communities, it suggests you other communities that you can belong. It's like going again to the groups. Remember the groups? You see, you have jobs, to try to figure out what things I can like it, because I like technology, obviously, most of the things are technology. But suppose I say, you know what, I want to see there's a community of statistics. Here it is. There are all these communities that I may interested in belong because I like statistics and I teach statistics, so I can say, oh yeah, I like this one. I also check how many people they are. For example, here, that looks interesting, but it's only 10 people. So unless they're super famous, I like to belong to a community that we have a lot of people, so I can chat with them. 1,000, okay, there is, okay, so I will join this one, suppose, okay. So I guess once you do that, you will be able to see the people. You see, now I see all these people who are in this community. I can follow them if I am very interested or not, or I can add it to my friends, etc. So that's very interesting. You see, that's the communities. Another thing about the communities, which will be similar to the groups, we have something that we call people. Let me just go to people. So in people, it's all the people who, the suggestion, I don't have a few people, because I wasn't using it, but there is tons of people they suggest to integrate in your profile. So I can put this, I can add these people. Now have you in your circles, this is people I have in my circles. They have me in their circles, and this is my circles. So I guess I have a circle, which is probably all my friends or my colleagues who were in my Facebook. And the interesting thing is you can add more people and discover. Again, you can go around and say, what is your interest? Well, I am interested in sport, cows, photography, etc. In education. So I will click here, and well, no, I don't want to follow the 65 people or places, but suppose I go around and I say, you know what, I want to follow MIT because I studied there. I can follow. So will be my first follow. Interesting. And then I can keep going. And this section of people have people, but also have organizations. So suppose this person is very important, I can follow the person if it's interested with me. So it's very similar. It is, I will say, Google Plus have get the best of Twitter, the best of LinkedIn, and the best of Facebook, because they have also blogging capabilities. Another thing I like of this, let me just go now again to home, and I want to show you explore. So right now we're discussing how to connect with others, and if you log with explore, I was telling you have the base of Twitter, you can go here and have hashtags. Let's put branding and see what happens. And then I will see all the comments that people have been talking about branding. You see color, branding of color, blah blah. So again you go to explore, and then you add branding, and if you like the page you can select it, and I guess you can link the post, embed the post. You don't like it, you can mute it so you don't want to hear it, etc. So it's very it is very similar to the others, which make your life easier because now you understand how it works. It will be easy for you to understand how it works. Events, you can create events, or somebody can invite you on events, and also is the Hangouts. The Hangouts, I like it a lot because the Hangouts you can actually create an event and hang out with your friends in video. You see, like this person, she's talking with the friends. So we can actually do a lesson or a chat just using Hangouts in the air. The same thing we do with Adobe Connect. I have used these Hangouts. It's very good. There's video Hangouts as well. You can leave a video and chat with the person. I do like Skype it better though, but you can use it. Now you can do instant messages as well by free. So sometimes I receive message from here and I didn't know, but it goes directly because I have Gmail. So you have all of these options. Now collections, let's discuss about collections. Collections is very similar what there was, we have another social media called Pinterest, where you go and find things that you like and you actually collect that. And apparently they actually try to copy them. So suppose you have one specific topic you will collect in this page, and then you can also share your collections. I have to tell you, I'm very impressed, very impressed with Google Plus, because it is really have all the features. Have the features of LinkedIn, the features of Facebook, the features of Pinterest, and the features of Twitter. Amazing, it's very good. The only thing I want to check now is communities and how to find jobs. Now I search how to find jobs using Google Plus, and they send me to google.com/careers. You have here an option, careers in Google. Let me just show you. And then the interesting thing is you immediately have this question. Hi there, we can use Google Plus profile information to find relevant jobs and connections to Google. If you have that, I will put yes, and then see what is immediately try to find, according to my profile, jobs that I may look. And then, have you ever worked? I didn't fill out information, so I will have to update my file, and then once I will update my file, they will help me to find jobs. That is good, right? I'm very excited. I think my advice is really explore Google more. I think have so many features that I wasn't expecting, and I will advise 100% start using it, because definitely, as the rumors that this will surpass Facebook, after playing with this, I definitely will believe that at some point Google Plus will surpass Facebook. Okay, my friends, so I will see you in the last video in a few minutes. So enjoy Google Plus.